Welcome to the Battery to Glow simulation. To use this simulation, select one of the objects on the left side of the screen, such as the wire, and drag the object to the right onto the stage. Selecting and dragging the end of the wire increases the length of the wire, or you can use this to change the direction of the wire. Choose the battery, drag it on the stage, and also change the direction of the battery. For some objects, such as resistors, you can select, drag it to the stage, and then click on the object to change some parameters of that object. In this case, the resistor's resistance. The light bulb can be added to the stage and changed its direction like any other object. To remove an object from the stage, select the object and then select the yellow trash can on the bottom of the screen. To measure voltage, select and drag the voltmeter to the stage. Place one probe tip on the object to be measured and the other probe tip on the opposite end of the object to be measured. The voltage reading will be displayed on the voltmeter. To measure current, select and drag the ammeter to the stage. Place the probe with crosshairs at the point in the circuit you want to measure current. Selecting the orange Reset button on the bottom of the screen removes all objects from the stage and returns the screen to its original state.